welcome to my channel, or welcome back to the Naturally Nia. So today I'm doing a clay wash. So we're just gonna go through like my clay wash hair routine day. My hair is crazy right now, so keep watching. I'm in my laundry room, so I'm about to just wash my hair. So first thing I'm doing is just rinsing the hair out. Like, I have mad gel in my hair. I just like got like all the gel out. The instructions on here say to apply to wet hair, massage in the scalp, and work through hair, gently detangle with fingers or wide tooth comb. So I have, like I said, I would just spend like a long time just rinsing gel on my hair. So I will be shampooing my hair with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore shampoo. So I will be doing this before I put the clay in. So I just got the shampoo out of my hair. Just gonna squeeze the water out. So I'm gonna dry my hair off a little bit before I put this stuff on. So I dried it off a little bit. This is her out. This is her out. Okay, so it really just says apply to wet hair, massage into scalp, and work through hair. It doesn't.
Oh my gosh, I have like the water in my eye.
I'm probably gonna go hefty with this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So it says go through scalp, massage into scalp, and work through hair. Okay, I usually like to put my hair into like a middle part when I do stuff like this. So it's easy just to kind of work around my head like this. Tell you guys how, okay, that's really going crazy. I cannot tell you guys how strong it smells of chocolates in here. Okay guys, so I'm probably gonna be gone for like, I'm probably gonna let this hair sit in my hair for like 30 minutes to an hour, but I'll be back. Guys, so I'm back. So it's been like 45 minutes. I put a timer on for 45 minutes, so it's been 45 minutes. I ended up putting a plastic bag on my head because I went to go lay in my bed and I realized how uncomfortable it was with my hair just being out, even though it wasn't really drippy, but I wanted to tackle it. So it's been 45 minutes. It is late right now, so I probably will keep it in longer, but it's late, and yeah, so this is how it's looking. I really can't see, so we're just gonna hope it looks good. It feels good though. It's just so chocolate. It feels really good. So this is it out. I'm going to take my handy dandy spray bottle. I talk about the spray bottle in 95% of my videos. I'm gonna go over it again. Of course, I use some of my favorite conditioner, which I'll put up, my favorite conditioner, and water, and yeah. So I'm gonna lightly spritz it. I'm lightly spritzing my hair because on the instructions it says to gently detangle with fingers or wide tooth comb. It did say to put like your hair to be kind of wet, and my hair is not like, it's just not like drippy wet anymore, so I'm just helping get it a little bit some wetness to it. So I just did like a little bit of sprays there. So I'm just taking this comb. This is the closest thing I have to a wide tooth comb here because my stuff is still at school. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out like the instructions say to. I just finished detangling my hair with the wide tooth comb, and I mean, it is what it is. Like, I'm done. It feels really refreshed and cleaned, so I'm about to wash all this out. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what's under here. First I'm gonna say it smells like chocolate. Like, this stuff is smells very strong, so be ready for that. Okay, look at my hair. Like, do you see how live it looks? Like, the curls that are already there with no product.
It's a yes for me.
I just feel like, okay, let me make like a fake middle part. It's so ugly, but whatever. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like, this is giving. Like, it's giving very much so. I'm literally in love. Like, my hair feels just so good. Like, okay, let me stop praising my hair. Wow. Okay, let me stop. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, I will see you guys next time.